Alright, I'm gonna do a little editing tutorial and just my workflow in Lightroom. This is a photo shoot I did last week. The purpose of this photo shoot was actually just to test out some new lights that I bought. So I chose a couple of my favorite photos and I'm just gonna show you how I edit these. So first photo, I'm gonna go to my crop, make sure I like this, bring this in a little bit. Always kind of working within the rule of thirds here, so I kind of like this right here. And then I'm going to go to my profiles. I'm going to click True Tone 1. This is from pack 2. Perfect, just like this. Little before and after, just one click, like that. Pretty soft. I'm going to go apply some grain, bring up my contrast a little bit. When I'm editing portraits, I like to zoom in on like skin or the face to see how the dials affect the actual image from at like almost a pixel level. So then I'm gonna go bring up my textures, clarity, perfect, like this. This background is a bit maroon for me, so I'm gonna go into my luminance slider. I'm gonna drop down my luminance like this, perfect. I bring up my exposure 1. This, and then bring my orange just a bit down like here, and I like that. Quick little edit. Let's do a before and after, and I really like that. So I'll take this. Let's go to the next photo. Really like this photo as well. It's kind of shot on accident, I think. Only problem is I'm not sure how I feel about this hand right here. So I've been looking at this for a while and I don't know if I should just crop in hard or keep it with the hand. So I'm going to just crop it. So, oh, it's already cropped. Well, I'm gonna crop it some more. I'm gonna go here. So this is the original photo. So I see a composition that I kind of like, so I'm gonna crop it in. And this is just the art of the crop. I'm holding Command Shift, going here, and I'm gonna take it right there. I might even go right here. Let's see. So something that I learned in art school in compositions was just creating shapes. So I purposely composed it this way, kind of to just build tension in the image. And one of the ways I did this is just creating this triangle right here. Yeah, I really like the overall just shapes of the negative space in this image. So I'm going to edit the colors now. I'm going to go pack 1. Let's go. Let's try True Tone. Let's go True Tone 4. A little bit different. Bring my exposure, apply some grain, a little bit of texture. So I really like this. Again, I'm not a big fan of this red, but I do like the negative space a lot. So we're gonna drop the luminance again. And I love it. I love it. Again, as I mentioned, I don't know how I feel about her hand right here. So let's try something. Let's go. I wonder what this will do. Boom. Get rid of her hand. And I love that. I think that's awesome. I think that's a sick composition. I just love the negative space in this image. So great. Let's go here. Let's go do one more photo. Perfect. Is this the raw? This is the raw. Wow, this is a beautiful raw image. Okay, so I really like the composition and how I shot this. So I'm going to do a little more. I'm just going to bring this down a little bit, bring this up a tad bit. Again, I'm thinking negative space here. I'm thinking the tension here with her foot touching and almost touching here. Just kind of like that. Perfect. So apply a profile. It's a bit warm, I think. Oh. So let's go, I'm looking at the profiles. So I think the last one I did, this is True Tone 4. So let's go to this one and let's reset. Let's go 5. So kind of just using a different profile for every photo and just seeing how it affects the photo differently. I mean, this is crazy how sick this is already. So, wow, I mean, that's just one click. Let's just see the before and after. Before, after, one click. I think that's awesome, but we'll just make it a little bit cooler. Wow, I mean, yeah, this is sick photo, I really like this. I'm gonna really bring this up here. I might even drop my exposure a little bit here, make it a bit softer. I'm gonna drop this here. I'm going to, again, I like to zoom in on the skin a little bit to just see a little more clearly. Yeah, that's awesome. I love this. Before, after, cool edit. So let's do another photo, completely different lighting situation, different outfit, same model. Again, I was practicing my lighting here, so I believe I had a Pro Photo B10 shooting from the corner with I forget the size of the softbox, shooting down. So again, gonna crop this. Let's go to our profiles, kind of see what we're doing here. Wow, True Tone 5, winner, winner. So I already really like this. One click, before, after, really, really cool. Really cool, actually. Honestly impressed. It's a bit cool, so I'm gonna bump up the satch a little bit. Wow, I'm gonna add some texture on this. Drop my orange a tad. And I think this is a very, very cool image. A little before, after, awesome. So let's do one more photo. Boom, right here. Let's do the raw. So here, go pretty good. Profiles. Let's do a True Tone 1. So drop my highlights, drop highlights and whites, excuse me. Drop my exposure a little bit. Up my contrast some more. Maybe give it a little texture on that. Perfect. Grain. Raise my black slightly here. And a little before and after. Beautiful. That's a little editing tutorial on how I approach editing in Lightroom using True Tone Pack 2, using quite a few of the different profiles within that pack. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, thank you guys so much for the support.